Hi, my name is Andy Driggs, and today I'd like to talk to you about a very common question that potential E-2 visa clients have. Many potential investors ask me whether it makes a difference to buy an existing business or to start a new business. Certainly, the regulations allow for both scenarios, but let's talk about some of the differences. One advantage to purchasing an existing business is that the investor can place the entire purchase price, the entire investment, into escrow and make the purchase of the business contingent upon the issuance of the E-2 visa. So for whatever reason, if a visa is not granted at the consulate, the investor does not lose any money. If an investor is starting a new business, he or she has spent considerable amounts of money prior to the submission of the E-2 visa application, and so there is a greater risk of loss. Another advantage to purchasing an existing business is that that business is in operation. There are financial documents, tax returns, inventory lists, payroll summaries. There's a lot of documentation that we can show to the consulate to prove that the investment is substantial. Also, if the company has employees, then we can prove to the consulate that the business is more than marginal, and that is an important requirement for the E-2 visa. Finally, the argument about sufficiency of investment perhaps is a little easier when you purchase an existing business. The regulations state that the purchase price should be considered the fair market value of the business. And since the substantial investment depends upon the value of the business becoming operational, the purchase price can be used for that purpose. The advantage of starting a new business, of course, is that the investor has total control over what type of investment he wants to make. He may have a dream about what type of company he wants to run, and just purchasing a business may not fulfill that dream. Many entrepreneurs do not want to purchase an existing business or a franchise. They want to do something original. I have had success either way. My client Andrea from Italy opened a business from scratch, an Italian restaurant. My client Sven from Germany purchased a neighborhood pizzeria. Both were successful, and both later sold those businesses for a profit. They also both became later lawful permanent residents of the United States, one through marriage to a United States citizen, and the other with his wife through the diversity visa lottery. The choice of whether to start a new business or purchase an existing business is completely up to you. As long as you comply with the E-2 requirements, you can have success either way. If you think that the E-2 visa is the right visa for you, give me a call. We'll go through your plans and make this dream a reality.